This park looks so sad.
The fences need some serious help.
Paint! Now we can really make this place shine! Time to add some color.
Time to add some color.
Now for some extra fun!
Look at that! The happiest sun in the whole county!
Oh, I love it, Monkey. It's so bright.
Now that's a fence worth looking at!
What about those signs?
Almost. Got it!
Look! The swings! Let's go! The sign says they are this way. Come on! There it is, exactly where the sign says. Come on! Wow! A slide! Let's hurry! Wow! The park looks amazing now with all the new signs.
They are so clear. Now we won't get lost finding the play.
We did a good job!
Look how high they're going. I bet I can jump higher than that.
Oh, Monkey, be careful! The swings look like so much fun! Wow, look at the drawings! They're having so much fun!
Wow, look at all the kids having fun. We did a great job restoring the park.
It's wonderful, Farm Monkey! Look, Piglet, an old park gate. It looks so abandoned.
I have an idea! Let's clean it up!
I'll grab the bucket. Almost there. Almost ready.
Here goes!
Maybe this will work.
We did it!
Ready to play!
Try to catch me!
Here, Piglet.
It's going in!
We did it together!
That was so much fun! What a perfect day!
Let's come back tomorrow.
Ready for eggplant picking, Rabbit?
Yes, let's fill our baskets.
This eggplant looks perfect for our salad. It's so big and shiny.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, eggplant microphone. You're so silly, monkey.
La la la, eggplant song. Bravo! Bravo!
Oops, sorry, Rabbit.
Dirt.
Wow, we picked so many. The sun is doing a great job. They're getting nice and soft.
Perfectly roasted.
I can't wait.
Ta-da! Our eggplant salad!
It looks delicious. Let's get our stall ready. I hope everyone likes eggplant salad.
Welcome to our stall!
Would you like to try our eggplant salad? Yes, she loves it.
Hooray! It worked!
Thank you, enjoy.
Next customer, please.
We sold out.
A great team. We're a great team.
That was a successful day.
What should we make tomorrow?
Maybe carrot cake. Home sweet home.
It's good to be back.
Time to relax.
This is the best part of the day. Once upon a time. Another day on the farm, ready for adventure.
I sure am.
Let's go see the new piglets.
What's this old place, Hedgehog?
Looks like an old park gate.
It's a bit run down. But maybe we can fix it.
Oh no! The bouncy...
Let's gather all these balls. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Almost there.
Keep going, monkey.
Scrub-a-dub-dub.
Making it sparkle. It works. It really works.
Hooray! Whoa! Look at them go!
Be careful, monkey!
We made it safe and fun for everyone.
Look how happy they are.
Higher! Higher!
turn. Grow big and strong. Little seeds grow in something beautiful.
This sandwich is so good.
And then the giant chased the tiny little...
You're a great storyteller, Monkey.
Goodbye. Thank you.
That was a great day. The best day ever.
We really made a difference. Together.
Together.
The audio featured the sound of a gentle breeze rustling through leaves and foliage, accompanied by the distant chirping of...
It looks so sad.
I've got an idea.
Ooh, what colors are we making? Painting, painting, making it bright. Almost there. Oops, a little extra color. Wow, it's beautiful.
There, all done.
Yay, let's play. Yay!
They're having so much fun.
They love it. Oh, yeah. This is fun. Swing higher.
Here's your snack.
Oh. I'm so sleepy.
Good morning. We did a good job. This swing set looks like it needs some serious help. Yeah, it's pretty rusty.
These chains are definitely not safe. We need to replace them. These chains are definitely not safe. We need to replace them.
1, 2, 3, lift. Wow, this This new seat looks great! Almost there!
Tightening these up nice and secure.
Here goes nothing! This is so much fun! Whoa!
You're spinning like a top.
Whoa! I think I overdid it a bit. Easy there, monkey. I gotcha. We did it! It looks amazing!
It sure does.
Look how much fun they're having!
We did a good job.
Good morning, Chick. What a beautiful day for strawberries.
Chirp! Chirp! Let's pick lots. These berries are so juicy and red. Chirp! Mine is the biggest. Oops, I dropped some.
Chirp. Me too. Uh-oh.
Look at us. Chirp! This is fun. Almost full. Chirp! So many berries. Let's get these home. Chirp! I'm excited. Time to make some jam.
Chirp, chirp.
Ready to sell. Chirp! So many jars. Let's make them look pretty.
Chirp. Ribbons and labels.
Let's sell all our jam.
Chirp. Market time.
Hello? Would you like to try some of our strawberry jam?
Delicious. Here you go.
Thank you.
Chirp. Have a nice day.
Almost gone. Get yours now. Almost gone.
Chirp. So popular.
That's the last one.
Chirp. Chirp.
We sold them all. Time to go home. Chirp. We did it. We can buy lots of things.
Chirp.
What should we get? 1, 2, 3. Chirp. So many.
Let's get some new tools for the farm. Chirp.
And maybe some seeds. This shovel looks strong.
Chirp.
And this watering can is shiny. These will grow into beautiful flowers. Chirp!
I can't wait.
We need to water them every day.
Chirp. Keep growing.
They smell so wonderful. Chirp! So pretty. Let's make even more jam next year.
Chirp!